a zoom fit, and let's see how the AutoCAD works. So as I said to you before, it is a command-based software. So first I type something in my notebook or my notepad, so I will type Z. And you can see that the letter Z appeared in my screen. And when I click on Enter, I have submenus in the zoom function. So what I like to do very often is zoom and E, because it fits the drawing to my screen. So if I type again, if I type Z and click on Enter, you can see where when you type a letter, you have an option, or you have a list of options showing what kind of command you can do with that letter. So in this case, I want a zoom, so it's okay. I click on Enter, and now I click on E, and I have a zoom extend. And that is very useful because sometimes you have trash in your drawing, and it is very useful to know where they are. For instance, let's suppose that I have something here. So if I do a zoom extend, I will see what is outside of my drawing, and I can delete that.